Rising above the forests of central Sri Lanka, a lone rock fortress towering nearly 200 meters into the sky. At its base, vast water gardens spread out in perfect symmetry. A masterpiece of ancient engineering. Along the western face, the world-famous Sigiriya paintings survived. Painted with natural pigments, glowing with timeless elegance. Beside them lies the mirror wall. Once polished so smoothly the king could see his reflection. Halfway up the rock, the entrance was guarded by a massive lion gate. Today, only the lion paws remain. Climbing the final stretch. The path reveals the cliff edges and sweeping views. At the summit, the ruins of the Sky Palace reveal what once stood here. A kingdom above the clouds. Today, Sigiriya stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A silent giant waiting for the world to discover